How to copy and paste on WhatsApp Android. Hi everyone, I am here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. After that, simply click on the chat from where you want to copy the message. Open the chat, find the chat and simply hold on to the chat. After you've hold down to the chat, you'll find three dots on top right corner of your screen. Simply click on three dots on top right corner of your screen and you will find all these options pop up. Click on copy. After you've clicked on copy, simply you will find this on your clipboard. After that, open another message where you want to paste the message you copied. Hold on to the message and you'll find paste option. Click on paste and you're good to go. This is how to copy and paste on WhatsApp Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below.